Here we are going to discuss the second part. He senses first responsibility. In a world of possessions, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always, little boy. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. The epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what everyone must one day know. And most knows many days how to stand up. So he senses first responsibility means his first experience. First time he lost one thing which he has been very fascinated. So he can't take it. He can't take this situation, but he knows it's a first responsibility. So he started sensing that it's our first responsibility. In a world of possessions, people will take balls will be always lost. Yes, this is right. In our life also, we will lose something which we are very fascinated. It will till now it didn't came, but we are so rigid. We are so we should be happy what we have. We should not think about what we lost and what we are not having. Don't compare with others. So it is in a slogan also you have seen. Don't compare with others. So like this, don't compare with others. On their bright time, they on their time they will be in a bright position. Like there is no comparison between a moon and a sun. When the time comes, they will shine. So like this, you have to understand by this poem that nothing nothing think about which we lost. We should also we should only focus on the future. So uh, the boy says no one buys a ball, money is external, is despised as he was very lost and he is understanding the situations. So this is a great poem by John Berryman. And now we will see the poetic devices. So anaphora means repeated words. In this poem, the repeated words are what is the boy, what, and merrily bouncing merrily over. And assonance means repeated use of vowels, boy, now, who, lost. And sound is repeated, alliteration, no one buys a ball back. So if you like this video, please subscribe, please like, please share. So I'm new to YouTube and this is my channel Hema Tech, and I am G Hemastri who is teaching. Here I will teach all the subjects, so please stay with me. So this is the poem. So you must have been experienced anything, so please write it in the comment box, and I will give as my level best. I will give replies to your questions in the comment box. So that's it. In this you have covered all the poem, introduction about poet, literary device. In exams you can do well better, and all the best. If you have any normal slip test, exam test, in that this poem is